Hello guys, I am Sagar Maru and I have just completed my bachelor's, laying each brick of my career. But you know what? What is most important in any infrastructure? The foundation of it. And what laid my foundation is PVPIT's mock CET test. I appeared for mock test 3 years back, and this year my sister and her friends are appearing. They registered for mock CET test and crash course as well. I enrolled, I practiced, I gave the test, and you know what? Most of the questions were similar. That's why I scored well and could enter the college of my choice. So grab the opportunity and enroll for it. Thank you and all the best to you all.